Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you the winter weather over here in our place that affect my working place. So in my working place, one of the water pipe got busted and it flooded everywhere. So yeah, probably it happens on in between Saturday or Sunday. So the water really soak in, and the flood even goes away to our next door. That can cause also the flood. And what they did, they have to cut the water pipe that is busted, and that got busted, I mean. And not just only one part of it that got busted, but it has multiple spots on it that got busted during that winter weather, which is temperature is really mababa. So nag-freeze yung mga yung mga tubig, yung mga water pipe. So that's why it got busted. And then what they did, they sucked the water out from our office, and then in my workplace. Tapos ni-remove yung carpet in the whole area. And then after that, they industrial fan to dry the wall and the floor. So that's why we cannot work anymore, and we just went in there for making phone calls to our patients, letting them know what happened. And hopefully, it will be done in a month or two. So ngayon, walang na tayong pasok, kaya video-video na lang muna tayo. Hopefully you guys like watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless everyone.